Alright, today we will be installing the Mabett Mesh sunshade on my four-door Bronco. Pretty easy. Comes with the sunshade, instructions, and the clips that you'll need to attach it to the roll bar frame. So what I did first was figured out the orientation. You can only do it with one side, the appropriate side facing up, the way that the front hooks are facing. So you get the front hooks latched in right above the rearview mirror. The side, you'll insert the hooks into the slots in the side of the roll bar frame and run the Velcro strap through them and pull them tight. Once you start doing that, and it's kind of in place as you see here, it's pretty easy going from there. So you can see that the hooks go in those spots right above the rearview mirror. Here I'm just kind of pulling it tight, figuring out where the clip's going to go in the side of the roll bar frame. Run the strap through with Velcro and push down. Very easy. As you're doing it, it's not unusual for those front clips to pop out as you're getting things situated, but once they're in, they're in. Then you're going to go ahead and attach the rest of the clips with the Velcro straps on each side of the roll bar frame. Pull them tight as you go. You're going to adjust it all and tighten them all up at the end, which we'll see. So once you get those front ones done, feed it through to the back. I've got side steps on my Bronco, so it made it easy to step right up there. Go ahead and continue with the straps and the clips, feeding it around. The ones in the back have a strap with kind of buckles on them that you'll put around the roll bar. They're adjustable, so once you get them on, you can adjust them with the Velcro to tighten them up. Here I'm just kind of getting everything in place before I do my final adjustments. So there's one that goes around the side of the rear, and then there's four that go around that very rear part where it says Bronco. So you can see I put one on, went to the other side, start attaching those clips and the Velcro straps on the driver's side. Run the other strap around the top of the roll bar in the back by the speaker. Buckle it in, pretty easy. Clip. And then there's two more that are in the middle of the back. Run those around, get those clipped. See, it's starting to get nice and tight on the top. Once you start getting them more in place, you can start making your adjustments to pull it tight and get it to lay flat. There's the fourth one on the back. Go ahead and get that clipped in. That strap, pull it around so it pulls tight. Looking good. We'll do some final adjustments. I'll just go around real quick and make sure that all the Velcro straps are pulled nice and tight and it's laying flat. The front corners are held down with magnets against the roll bar. It's pretty easy. And that's it. It's done.